If you're facing Roblox broken voice chat, here are a few different solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is make sure voice chat is enabled. So go to your Roblox and click on more and go to your Roblox settings. In settings, click on privacy and content restrictions and then click on communication. In here, click on voice chat. And now turn on enable microphone. After doing this, go ahead and restart your Roblox and check your broken voice solve or not. And the second solution is verify your age. Voice chat usually requires 13 plus age account and ID verification is supported regions. So all you have to need from your Roblox, go to Roblox settings and go to account info. In here you will find these age group, so go ahead and verify your age and then check your broken voice issue fixed or not. And the third solution is check your microphone permission. All you have to need, go to your computer settings. In this left-hand menu, select privacy and security. In here, scroll down and click on microphone. And here, turn on microphone access. Turn on let apps access your microphone. In this list, you have to scroll down and find out Roblox and make sure to turn on Roblox in this list. After doing this, go ahead and check your broken voice chat fixed or not. And the next solution is select the correct microphone. So just go to your Roblox game and go to Roblox game settings. Go to microphone section and then you have to select the correct microphone, which microphone currently you are using on your PC. And then resume playing the game and check your voice problem solved or not.